Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to perform front hook, up and spin. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so then you're going to get notifications when I upload a new video. So let's get started. So first, the neutral posture. Remember that this is going to keep us away from any injury. And when you practice pole dance, there are a lot of pulling moves involved. So then the neutral posture is going to protect our joints. So this is going to be shoulders up, back and down. Chest is facing up and this is going to be your neutral posture. So now our arms on the pole. So inside arm will grab the pole above your head and outside arm will grab the pole crossing your chest. So now our legs on the pole. Hook the inside leg around the pole. Then push your hips forward and right here engage your hips muscles and squeeze your butt. Then you are going to bend the knee of the outside leg and keep your knees separated. So the momentum will come from your hips when you push forward and squeeze your butt. So then let your body spin around the pole. So now let's put everything together and don't forget the neutral posture. So shoulders up, back and down. Grab the pole with your hands. Hook the inside leg around the pole. Then squeeze your butt and push your hips forward. Then bend the outside leg knee and let it go. So now let's repeat it with the other side. Don't forget the neutral posture. So shoulders up, back and down. Grab the pole with your hands. So hook the inside leg around the pole. Squeeze your butt and push the hips forward and let it go. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and I will see ya in the next video.